I love it because I'm starving. Let's go ahead and eat. Looks yummy. Looks okay, looks durable. You can slide this door in. I'm going to show you how I do my lesson. Is that clear to you? If it's first time or even second time, it is challenging. Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's me again, and today I'm going to do another unboxing because the item that I ordered from Lazada just arrived a while ago, and I'm excited to show you what's in the box. So if you're ready, let's begin. Okay, so here's the box. Sorry. There you go. It cost me 930 pesos. There are the other information. So that's me. I don't want to show you my address, obviously. I don't want you to stalk me. And this is a rabbit cage for my Osmo Action camera. And this one, it says from the description in Lazada that this is a perfect rabbit cage for the Osmo Action, especially if I want to attach the microphone adapter from Sonova. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, obviously I don't want you to stalk me, and I'm not too impressed with the packaging, but maybe what's inside is much better. Okay, interesting. So here's a small Tupperware or a box, plastic box. Here's another item in the box, written in Chinese, I guess. And let's now concentrate on this plastic box. It's from OA Mech. I guess this is the name of the manufacturer of this rabbit cage. Let's pop it open. And here's a little card with information on the back, written in Chinese. I cannot understand, so let's throw it away. Aha! Here's the first set of items, I guess. So obviously you see some screws, and this one is a screwdriver, I guess. This is the cold shoe, if I'm not mistaken, so please correct me if I'm wrong with the term. And here's the frame. It's protected with the bubble wrap. Okay. Makes me wonder why it's wrapped in bubble wrap if it claims to be durable. Maybe just for added protection. I don't know. Okay, this is how it looks like. Interesting. So it has some writings on the edge. It says Cine EDC gear, vlogger. Alright. And the last piece we have is the sliding door. Or maybe you have to slide it here. Oh, there you go. Yeah. You have to, because you see some ridge. You see some ridge? Okay, there's a narrow ridge here where you can slide this door in, and this will close the housing or the cage. Interesting. Okay, so this is the whole setup of the rabbit cage. Looks okay, looks durable, it feels durable. And let's see if this works with my Osmo Action camera. Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's me again. Of course, I have something new to show you. It's lunchtime. I don't know, I feel like my content is all about eating and unboxing and nothing else, but what can I do? This is my life. I mean, I've been quarantining for more than a year now, and I guess it's the same for you guys. But today I'm gonna show you what my meal is, and I'm thinking of showing you my schedule for today. I have a class at 4 o'clock with a student who wants to improve her oral communication skill. Hi guys, so this is my lunch today. Can you see that? Looks yummy. And it's quite a lot, right? So I have here fried tilapia. Also, this one is pinakbet. Of course, kimchi, my favorite. I have here macaroni soup too. And our staple, white rice. So this is my meal this afternoon. It's quite heavy on the stomach, but I love it because I'm starving. So if you're starving, let's go ahead and eat. Alright, watch me. So I just had my lunch and I'm about to do my assignment or my homework. Well, not really homework. It's I'm preparing a PowerPoint presentation for my class at 4 o'clock, and I'm about to finish it. I just need to do little fixes here and there, but I'm going to show you how I do my lesson later on. So watch out for that. Is that clear to you? All right. So what do you think of the prediction exercise? Do you think is it easy? Is it useful? Okay. All right. Yes. As usual, if it's first time or even second time, it is challenging for you and for other students who are not familiar with the topic, who's not familiar with the English language, the words used, or even the sentences. So that's okay. That is natural to experience, and that's why it's important to keep on using the strategies whenever you listen to material, whether in audio, video, or in live person format. And it's important that we use the strategies consistently. Okay, so of course I do not expect you to be perfect the first time you listen to a recording. Okay, there's nothing perfect when listening for the first time, but the important thing is for you to slowly improve your listening skill gradually, and for you to be more confident when listening to any English recording. Okay, all right, now let's proceed to the next part. Just a reminder, I want to, if you can, Roselle, please send to me the form that you wrote. If you cannot send it via Word, just take a picture of it and send to me because I want to check it, and it's also for your documentation. Okay. Correct. Okay. All right. Yes. As usual, if it's been second time, it is challenging for you and for all. Again, you will do this journal, and after you're done, send it to me. Okay. You don't need to be in a hurry. You can send it to me next Friday. All right. So that will be your homework for this lesson. And next is lesson number 4. Are you ready to continue with lesson 4? Yes, envisioning. The key question you have to ask yourself is, what do I imagine when I hear some words or expressions? Have you encountered the word envisioning before? Okay, how about the word vision? Okay, can you tell me more about that word? What comes to your mind? Imagine, yes, correct, imagine. What else? Elaborating. Okay, that's related. But when you imagine, what do you do exactly? When you envision, what do you do exactly? This afternoon, I will want to teach you the 3 strategies of envisioning. First is to catch familiar words. Next is to relate them together. And third is to contextualize. Okay, let's start with catching familiar words. The chickens, the chickens are good sound effects. Yeah. Thank you so much, Roselle. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday and enjoy your day. All right. See you. Bye bye, Roselle. I just finished my class with my student, and I would say it's a productive afternoon for me because I felt satisfied teaching her and giving her a lesson on listening, and it makes my day. I feel like my day is complete as well. I feel like I served my purpose today, so it makes me happy. Anyway, I'm just going to rest now and see you in a bit.